Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for rate of change. The diagram shows a swimming pool measure. We have the 20 meter wide. So here we have the 20 meter wide. 40 meter long. So here we have the 40 meter long. And 3 meter depth at the shallow end and the 4 meter deep at the other end. So meaning that here we have 3 meter depth and here we have 4 meter depth. So try to imagine the situation. So let's say here we have the 40 meter. And then here we have the 3 meter. So same goes to this part. We have 3 meter and here we have the 40 meter. Next, we have another situation because they mentions that on the end of the right hand side we have 3 meter long or the depth. And then for the left hand side we have 4 meter depth. So here will be the situation. So based on the situation, so here we have 1 meter. And then do remember we have the wide, which is 20 meter. So based on the situation in here, if the pool is being filled at the rate, so in here we have the dV dt, which is equals to 0.8 meter cube per minute. What is the rising rate of the water level when the water level at the deepest end is 0.5 meter? So here they mentions that we are looking for dH dt. For the question mark, when the h is equals to 0.5 meter. So how long does it take before the water level start to rise at the constant rate? So meaning that from here they will fill up, then until this part, then they will have the constant rate. So in order to find the volume, we name it as the x. So here we have the y. So focus on the question. Previously we mentioned that we have dH dt. So now because the deep, we name it as the y. So in here we have to rename the situation. We have the dy dt for the question mark and the value of y equals to 0.5 meter. So now we have the situation 1/2 multiplied with the x, y. Do remember we have the y, which is the 20 meter. So v is equals to 10xy. So now we have to express the situation v in terms of the y. So by using the ratio, we have the right angle triangle. So we name it as x and y. So x we have the 40 and y we have the 1. So in ratio form, we have x over y, which is equals to 40 over 1. So x is equals to 40, y. So kindly substitute. We have the v, which is equals to 10. And then the x, we have the 40, y multiplied with the y. So we have the 400, y squared. We have the v. So kindly focus on the chain rule. We have the dy dt equals to dv dt. And then multiply with, we have the dy dv. So focus on the differentiation. dv dy, where we have 800y. So kindly substitute the situation. So here we have 0.8. Then notice that we have the dy dv. So here we have to flip the situation. Then it becomes 1 over 800y. So when the y is equals to 0.5. So kindly substitute the situation. Here we have 8 over 10 bracket, we have the situation 1 over 800 multiplied with the 0.5. So the dy dt will be equals to, kindly refers to the calculator. Then we have the situation 0.002. And then we have the meter per minute. So that is the situation, the rate for the y increase. For 1 minute, we have 0.002 meter. So how long does it take before the water level start to rise at the t, constant rate? So meaning that, how does it take before the water level start to rise at the constant rate? So meaning that when the value of y approaching 1. So what is the time? So when y is equals to 1. So kindly refers to the situation. So kindly refers to the situation volume. So we have the situation 400y squared. So if we substitute y is equals to 1, so meaning that we have v is equals to 400 meter cube. So kindly refers to the rate. We have the dv dt. So meaning that we have 0.8 meter cube per minute. So by referring to the dv dt, so meaning that we have to multiply with the time. So 0.8 we have the volume meter cube per the minute. So let's say we name it as the t. Then for the situation volume, we have 400 meter cube. So T is equals to 400 divided by 0.8. So meaning that we need 500 minutes in order to reach the 1 meter for the Y. In order to fill up the volume for 400 meter cube, or we can say 400 ml. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.